If it ever feels like you're doing the right things, you're trying hard on something, and it's still not working out, you're still not getting the goals you want, I've learned this recently and it really gave me a lot of clarity, and it made me understand that I was doing the right things. It was just going to take some time to do it. You can have the perfect workout, you can have the perfect training session, but that doesn't mean you're going to get to that desired point instantly. You have to give time. You have to be consistent at it. Keep trying and be patient. It might sound like a lot, but once you know that if you just keep doing what you're already doing, you'll have all the goals that you want achieved. I actually really like that it's going to take a while to achieve stuff, because it makes the people who actually really want it be the only ones who get it. So I hope you can think about this and start crushing it even more, because now you know that you're doing the right things. You just have to wait a little bit. Hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you do something nice, interesting, something that's cool. You don't even have to subscribe, like this video. I just hope you can think about this. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Goodbye. Hope you have a great day.